In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off online active status on Facebook. You probably want to hide your online active status on your Facebook app, but I don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on settings. This will land on an interface like this. In order for you to turn off your online active status, continue to scroll down until you locate active status, which is under audience and visibility. Then continue to tap on it. So there you are, you have the option to toggle this off. So when you toggle this off, you'll be prompted that when you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are also active. Once you are setting with everything, you can proceed to tap on turn off, and that's it. You have successfully turned off your online active status on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.